Hello everybody, it's Chris, and we have the Amiga 3000, and I'm just gonna turn it on. Why not? Don't do it because of the battery. The battery actually looks okay. It was just shipped across the United States. It came with the little pregnant mouse looking thing with the ultra rare mouse. I'm hitting the button. Got the VGA hooked up to the flicker fixer card built in. We got a gray screen. We probably get nothing because there's no hard drives in here. Yeah. We get nothing. We don't even get power lights. That's just flippin' wonderful. Okay, this does have the AMAX2 board in it, which we're going to remove. So we're going to slide this forward. And the date on this puppy, January 1st, 1991. And it has some foam. Now, I have never owned a oh, God. I have never owned a 3000 before. So, you're just going to have to bear with me. This has the AMAX2 board in here. The AMAX2 board allowed the Amiga and a Macintosh with the correct ROMs, a 68K Mac, like a Quadra or one of the old LC boards, to be emulated, kind of like an M-Plant board. AMAX was made by ReadySoft. They were a Canadian company. This is the AMAX2 Plus, which was the last edition in 1992. I know this works because it was shown working. It does still have the little riser board plastic dude, so you don't press the crap out of your card and break it. It still has the plastic separator for the daughter board. We're just going to make sure things are seated. This was shipped across the United States. Yes, it's still got a battery in it. It's a GP. We're going to be taking it out. I got the coin cell conversion from Matthew and Amiga Kit on order. I have no lights. I have no LEDs, or if it even works. There's no power light at all. I get nothing. I get nothing. I have a copy of Disc Master. Disc spins. So we get a gray screen. I would scoot the camera over more, but it doesn't really matter at this point. And the Amiga cable comes up and goes in, and then it loops back out and feeds your drive. So the bottom inner cable here is the board's cable, and this connector is your DFO, DF1 to your other drives. And we're going to remove this AMAX card. I don't know how finicky the 3000 is. That's sad, but we need to keep going. I need to keep going. Daughter board, serial number 20468, Westchester. Now I know these won't boot without the daughter board being in. There we go. Okay, so the AMAX port is safe and free now. They went with the zips versus the dips, so we're going to double check everything on here. This is a Model 8, revision 8.9 it looks like, Commodore B2. Don't know what you think of this. It's got a lot of dirt and crap. Looks like something spilled on it. It's mainly just crusty. Yeah, the battery's there. It doesn't look like there's a lot of damage. There's some greening along this pin on E112, but just like, you know, dust bunnies and crud. So I need to run to the store and get some distilled vinegar. Update on the 3000, we have a kickstart screen over RGB with a GoTech wired in, but the Denise is like totally screwed. Look at this. It's I gotta wire it together. I have new sockets on order. Yeah. But it is booting. Excuse me, I have a mouse light, but I have no mouse. I got the mouse to work. GoTech, no super kickstart disc. I have to make myself a super kickstart disc. But the Denise is like screwy. Watch this. So turn off. Mouse in the right port. Turn on. Does the quick color flash. Now remember, my V-hold sucks, so. Alright, so, whoop. This is me screwing. I'm holding the camera now. Stop rolling. Stop rolling. Okay. Very carefully use the mouse. When Denise feels like she wants to let you click the mouse button, you can click the mouse button. It's got to glitch properly. Yeah, well, at least it sort of moves. I mean, it moves, but it's not the best because the Denise is so screwed up. It's like Jump City. Oh, there we go. And then the GoTech will start at least accessing. The new ROMs work, sorta. The Denise is so screwed up. It's thinking about doing some stuff, but I have a disc in the nothing, the loader. So let's see what it does. And it just does nothing. So that's not good.